Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to edit shortcuts on Snapchat. So first is you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the application. So to check that, just go to your Play Store and then search for Snapchat. And then once you find the option where it says update, so you just have to click on it and your application will be updated. And now let's go ahead and open our Snapchat application. So right here, just have to upload a snap or go to your gallery. And then once you've done that, you will then just have to click on the send button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, now that you're here, you just have to click on the plus icon at the left side of your screen. And then you just have to select the people that you want to add to your shortcut. So for example, I'm going to add this user, the Mike's 14, the meetings, and then the Edmore. And after that, you will then just have to click on this one at the top of your screen to choose an emoji for your shortcut. You just have to click on it and then type out the emoji. After that, you will then just have to click on the button at the bottom center and your shortcut will be created. Now, when you go ahead and click on this icon at the top left side of your screen, you'd be able to see here the list of your shortcut. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.